stinger we bumped into on the highway. I don't know, man. I can't see the M over this.
All right, 60-roll.
Welcome everybody back to Boost in Motion, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Thank you. All right, guys, so we are now about to get inside. We came at about 12:20, which is about 10 minutes before driver's meeting, and I guess they're gonna start clearing everybody.
First of all, I want to apologize. The reason we haven't started running yet is because we're waiting for the fire department. There was a big fire that happened not too far from there, and they're going to finish that up, and then they're going to head over here so we can start racing. But thank you guys for coming out. It's called Scramble Cold Fusion for a reason. So we're going to have some fun today. This driver's meeting is mainly about safety. I'm going to pass it to Christian from Team Admin, who's going to be running our track and our timing system. But first, I just want to talk about the route to get to the track, which you'll see behind us. You're going to head to the end of this parking area on the left-hand side and make a loop and come along this left-hand side here.
Hey guys, thank you for coming out. So just a couple things for those of you who have not been to these events. If you're on the line and something breaks or you start leaking, do not go down the track. Stop where you are and we'll push you back. If you drag something all the way down the track, we're on hold until we can clean it up. When you're going down the track, there's two exits. You're going to the far one. I have the first one blocked off. Go all the way to the end. You're going to make a right and come back to the return road. There'll be somebody sitting up there with the printer system. They're going to be the source of your time slips. For those of you who have your buddies with you or friends and you're trying to race your boy, be next to each other in the line. Because what we had on Saturday was guys would come up, they want to race, and their boy was 7 cars back. We want everybody to be getting as many hits as they can. Yeah, try to be directly behind or directly next to you, and we'll stage you up and make sure you're good. Okay? Like I said, just make sure you go to that second exit. It's very important. There's going to be a guy here at the exit lane. He's going to be telling you guys when to come, and he's going to ask you if you're doing a quarter, and we'll do a 3rd mile again like we did last weekend. All right? If you guys are making a pass and you start getting loose, get out of it. You go back around and make another hit. We don't want to see anybody get hurt. All right? Other than that, thank you. Make sure helmet's on, windows up, no passengers when you come to the line.
Also on top of that, my number today is 187, boy. Boom, boom, boom. All right, guys, so this is a concession stand they have over here, and the prices are pretty fair. We got Italian sausage, Philly cheesesteak, burger for $7, cheese fries. Everything's actually for a really relatively good price. That's actually pretty dope. I like that. All right, so I'm glad I got here a lot earlier because you guys can see where everyone would stand. So they have barriers right here, and then you can also stand over here too. Let's take a quick look. So you'll, like last time, you'll come up here, you'll make a left, and you'll be right here. And then that's where you'll line it up and you'll actually race. That's why I was telling you guys, like, they need like a bleacher or something. Like if they had like a bleacher over here with the gates, whatever, it would be a lot better. Bleacher here wouldn't make any sense because I guess they would want to keep this area open. But if they had the bleacher more over to the left, it would be so cool to just sit there and just look to your left and see the racing all the way down. All right, guys, so take a look. We're gonna do a quick walk around at some of the cars and people that's out here. We have the usual suspects. Ooh. Right. Always love this color. Like this color would never be like terrible color, right? Oof, oof. And you know what's funny? He got like, it makes it look like he got on a bumper cover, but he don't. Because that's actually part of the color. I like that. I'll give you. Oh, this car was out here last weekend, and it got a cage in it. Oof. Hood exit. My Infinity people. going for 8, going for 7. So he's rear-wheel drive, single turbo. What's going on, man? What's up? What's up? All right. All right. And he's supercharged. That's what you call it, the supercharged one, right? Supercharged one. Yo, what did you do to your car? Nothing?
Nah, just like a Z12 coil pack. Want some engine bay?
Yeah. First thing, I like the hood. And it's good fitment, too.
Yeah, they did a pretty good job. I tied up the front because it was loose from body shops, but I did all the...
Oh, shit. He really likes it. He AMS, he did all the engine dress stuff. Yeah, he's... So Z12 in your car, you're 93? 93,
Yeah,
okay, cool.
I just did Z12 coil packs.
Nice.
Yeah.
Your downpipe exhaust or still
I
stock
have the
exhaust?
downpipes. No, just have the Infinity exhaust.
With downpipes?
No.
Okay, so you're still
Just the
capped up.
helm spots.
Okay.
Everything from Infinity heat exchanger.
Oh, so you kept
I
it
did
quiet.
The coolant tank.
Okay.
I got the reserve tank here. I did clean. This is nice.
Yes, I know. That's why he keeps pointing at it. Like that part right there. Just know I love the dress up. He said, I want you to know there's red hoses under here too. It looks good though, man.
Blow-off valves. All carbon everywhere.
I like it. Looking good. Looking good.
Cap.
He said, I'm about to show you even the bolts are going to be red. That's probably what you're going to do next, right? They do have the little dress up. They have.
Yeah, I want to do those one
Okay.
day, just to like finish it off one day.
Car looks really good, man. So we got a single turbo rear wheel. Single turbo rear wheel, right? So twin turbo rear wheel drive. Stock motor, stock block, stock transmission. Like 600 wheel, right? E85 or 93? So as I told him, because you know, I'm boosting motion. I don't know if I've ever met you. So don't race each other, please.
Why?
No, we didn't come out here.
Yeah, you're right.
What internet stuff we talking about out here? No, we didn't come out here to do Infinity versus Infinity nonsense. I've been doing this for a while. BMW guys will come out and race each other. The same exact code. What we doing? You can do that on the highway. You came out here to make these Supras and all these cars. This is how you put the respect out here. So, I mean, do your thing, but I'm telling you, look for them Beamer boys. Those Supras, though, are going to be kind of hard. They're light.
Yeah.
But all those little M3s, this is who you want to kill.
That's true.
And they're not going to see it from you.
Probably just want to run, and then
Yeah.
after we just
Well, I'm going to run him first. I already asked him to run him first.
Oh, okay, I got
So just letting you know. So I don't know if you're trying to set up a race with somebody.
Yeah, I'll set it up with somebody.
You around a lot of goddamn Supras.
I know, bro. I'm like surrounded by Supras right now.
Yeah. So it's best to like call out people. With these cars though, you're making like 600 wheels, so you can eat out a lot of people. But let me go. I'm gonna be around. After you guys have your run, I'm gonna have a running with this too because I love my Infinities. Even though I run the C63, like I love my Infinities, man. I love the fucking car, bro. Love it, man. All right. So we got a couple other cars here. Right, everybody's lining up. I actually like this list of cars a lot better than before. A lot better. C63, JB4 C63, I'm on 93 versus G37 supercharged all-wheel drive. You got more top end than me, so Okay. They tuned it down? Thank you everybody for watching. Do appreciate you guys. Love you guys very much. You can also check out the 2 links I posted for some of my other videos. Also on top of that, if you want to purchase some boostinmotion merch, definitely check the link that I posted also. And finally, if you've been watching all my videos and you enjoy them, please hit the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.